kutoka hapa.
Wizara ya Kilimo katika kaunti ya Marsabit imezindua mpango wa kusambazia wakulima mbegu za kupanda msimu huu wa mvua ndefu zinazotarajiwa kuendelea kipindi hiki cha upanzi. Waziri wa Kilimo katika kaunti ya Marsabit, Hussein Fundi, amezindua mpango wa kusambaza mbegu kwenye maeneo bunge yote manne ya Marsabit, akisema kuwa hatua hiyo ni muhimu katika kuimarisha mazao ya kilimo na hata hifadhi ya chakula katika kaunti ya Marsabit.
Purchased assorted seeds totaling to around 10.5 tons, and this goes to all the 4 sub-counties. And as you know, there are areas also which are in Nodor, in Leisamis, in Moyale. There are spots where we practice planting. So this goes all the way to all the areas, all the wards that we are doing farming, and this is in support for all our vulnerable farmers.
We've been doing land preparation for the last two months, and now we are distributing the seeds to the farmers. These seeds are seeds for maize, green grams, beans, kales, and other vegetables, and we are giving it to our farmers. We have also been able to purchase 2,000 trees, so that we can be able to practice agroforestry in Marsabit County. As you know, in Marsabit and most of the parts of northern counties, we've experienced 4 years of successive droughts, and we lost a lot of our livestock, which is the main economic livelihood for our communities. Now we are encouraging our farmers to also now try to embrace agro-pastoralism as a way of livelihood, because this is something that we must resort to for us to be able to enhance food and nutrition security within the county.
Wanafunzi wa shule ya Kametho, kaunti ya